Good morning. It's our final full day here, day 4. So we just got to Castaway Cay. So me and Lucia, we're gonna get off. My husband's still sleeping, so we're just gonna leave him here. We're gonna go explore the island and let him meet up with us later. So let's go. Also, I'm not gonna bring my camera. I'm gonna just probably be like using my phone, so I don't have to worry about lugging that around. But yeah, let's get going. Oh, you can rent like jet skis here. So I forgot to check the time because they just reminded me. So we got in at 8:45. So hopefully we can get some swimming and whatever done before all the people off the ship. Early bird gets the worm around here. Yeah, it's walkable. There's trams, you know, if you're older or have trouble walking. But we're just gonna, you know, we have a stroller, so we're gonna just do a nice little walk, burn off our Mickey waffle that we had this morning. Lucia's still working on hers. So they have these little trams. They'll take you to the different locations you want to go. Alright, so I feel bad because we went all this way walking to the beach, and then we started checking the app to see where the characters were, and Donald was actually going to be at the post office, which is right when you get off the ship. So I suggest, if you're doing this, that you check the app while you're getting off the ship so you can keep a lookout for these things, because I made my family walk all the way back. So, but you know, because they're only here, like, I think in the morning, so that's why I wanted to make sure, and maybe the lines are a bit long. So, anyway, we're walking back now. We're gonna get some swimming done. I believe that I don't know if it's Cookies or Cook's Barbecue, something like that. It opens like not till I think Jose said 11 or 11:30. It's only 9:30, so we have a couple hours. So Lucia was mentioning she had to go to the bathroom when we were waiting in line to see Donald. I don't know, sometimes she says she's got to go to the bathroom, but she really doesn't. She does that when she's bored. So let's see if we should, I don't know if we should go find a bathroom now. Do that, and then do some shopping.
Morning.
Hello. Oh, yeah.
Come on and listen to stuff. Come on with
Alright, so this is Pelican Plunge. Looks like you have to be at least 38 inches and kids need to wear a life vest. Oh? So we walked this way, but you could take the tram. Wow, the water is freezing. I grabbed like a little bit of everything, so it looks like I have a lot here, but this was from Cookie's Barbecue, so it was like beans, I got a hamburger, potato salad, macaroni salad, you know, basic like summer barbecue kind of food. And they have these large chocolate chip cookies.